In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can post pictures directly to Instagram using your laptop or PC. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Kersten Show, where every episode we show you things on business, entrepreneurship, investing, and personal growth. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can post pictures directly to Instagram, because if you've ever gone to the website Instagram.com, you've probably already found out that it does not allow you to post pictures directly from their website through your PC or other files, storage devices or anything like that. And it's a pretty frustrating thing because sometimes you don't want to mess with your phone, you just want to post a picture for your social media and move on. Be sure to subscribe if you like this kind of content, share it with a friend. Now let's go ahead, dive into my computer, and I'll show you exactly how to do it.
Hey guys, so here we are inside my computer, and obviously we are here at Instagram.com. I am using Google Chrome for what that matters, but I don't really think it does. And as you can see, there's not a place to click add to post a photo, okay, like I was saying. So the trick is you're going to want to right click and you're going to want to inspect. Click inspect. Okay, and then once this loads, you're gonna click on this little right here, this icon that looks like two little tablets, and what that does is it puts the website into like a mode where it would be viewing as if you were on a tablet device or a phone. So you're gonna click that, it turns blue, and then this changes over here, and you're almost there. Once that happens, you're gonna wanna refresh the website. And then once it reloads, now you've got your add button right here. So you go ahead and click add. This pops up. You got your photos that comes up. Let's just go with this one. And you've got a couple controls. The only thing that I've noticed that you can't do is add multiple photos. If you know how to do that on here, by all means leave it down in the comments below. I'm interested. You can change some filter effects down here, but otherwise click this little button and it can go from your normal photo and change the ratio, get it to all fit. Go to next, do your caption as normal. Okay, you can even add your location if you want. Cypress, Texas. And then you click share. I'm not gonna share it because I don't care to share this photo at the moment, but that's all you do.
Well, that's it guys, a pretty short little trick, but I wanted to share it with you because I thought it would be helpful for some. Leave your questions down in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each time we upload a new episode. And until next time, take care.